Hi, I'm James Teufel over at Ford of Kirkland. Today I'm going to go over with you the top selling Ford accessory package for the F-150 in the Northwest. Here we're going to be showing you what we have on our Northwest Premium Plus package on the F-150. So up front we're going to have a Aeroskin bug guard that's going to protect from any additional rock chips, flying debris, just to protect the front of your vehicle as it's the high impact section. Around here we're also going to have wheel well liners that we are going to tuck in the front and the back just to protect from other debris and making sure that mud, dirt, and everything like that isn't just getting piled into the vehicle. So you're going to have that in the front and the rear of the wheel wells on that. So with the popularity of tray style floor mats, we realized that a lot of our customers are wanting those. So what we've gone with is Ford has decided to invent us a nice, wonderful deep tray style mat that's still actually flexible and movable, so they're really easy to get in and out of the vehicle and clean out for you. And then we've also brought that into the back seat as well. So you're going to have that over the entire back row of the vehicle. So you're going to have a huge amount of space and a ton of coverage for this wonderful floor mat that you're going to have under there. Over around through the top, we're going to have this red roll-up, weather-resistant tonneau cover that we have on top, as opposed to a standard tri-fold. These actually do just roll up all the way pretty easily. So these are just going to pile right in, and it's not going to actually block your line of sight going through the top of the vehicle, so you can ride around with this rolled up just fine. In the back of here, we've opted for a impact bed liner. So the benefit of this is actually you can be able to crawl into the vehicle. It's not going to be difficult for you to be able to get in and out of, and it's going to do it comfortably. And you're not going to lose anything because we've actually covered this middle section, the gap in between the tailgate and the actual bed itself. So this is a wonderful package for the Northwest. You can get yourself a nice full front to back coverage on your new truck. So if you're looking for a new F-150, this is definitely the package to be looking for. Again, I'm James Teufel at Ford of Kirkland, and thank you so much.